It's November and I'm in zone 8A and I'm going to be planting tulips today. If you saw my previous videos, you saw that I had geraniums and petunias here in the spring, but those quickly died in summer, and I added vincas, which seemed to thrive. But I removed the vincas and took them to my mom's greenhouse. First I removed the mulch, and since I took half the dirt out, I decided to drill holes because I don't think I had enough drainage before. I'm now adding bone meal to feed the tulip bulbs, which FYI, I got this 50 pack at Costco for about 14 bucks back in October. And remember to put the pointy side up of the tulips. I added about 15 to 16 tulips in each of the 3 bins, spacing them out about 2 inches apart, and I put them in 4 inches deep. Added fresh compost on top and more bone meal, as I also added hyacinths on top of the tulips. I also got these at Costco, but it was only 20 in the bag, so I only added a couple to the front of the pot. I added rocks for aesthetics, and now hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for springtime.